Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the city that never sleeps, New York City. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, here are 10 things you absolutely must do when visiting the Big Apple. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get hotel deals and book your activities. Let's dive in. Start your adventure with a visit to the Statue of Liberty. This iconic symbol of freedom offers breathtaking views of the city and the harbor. Don't forget to explore Liberty Island and visit the museum. Escape the hustle and bustle with a stroll through Central Park. From picturesque lakes and gardens to the Central Park Zoo and Bethesda Terrace, this green oasis is perfect for relaxation and recreation. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Times Square. Known for its bright lights, giant billboards, and bustling atmosphere, it's a must-see for first-time visitors. Be sure to visit at night for the full experience. Discover a world of art at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. With over 2 million works spanning 5,000 years, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Don't miss the rooftop garden for stunning views of the city. Stroll along the High Line, a unique elevated park built on a historic freight rail line. Enjoy beautiful gardens, art installations, and stunning views of the city's west side. It's a great way to see the city from a different perspective. Visit the One World Observatory for an unparalleled view of New York City. Located at the top of One World Trade Center, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, it offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the skyline and beyond. Experience the magic of live theater with a Broadway show. From timeless classics to modern hits, there's a show for every taste. Be sure to book your tickets in advance for the best seats. Take a walk across the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline and the East River. Once you reach Brooklyn, explore the charming neighborhoods of Dumbo and Brooklyn Heights. Explore the wonders of the natural world at the American Museum of Natural History. From dinosaur fossils to the planetarium, this museum offers fascinating exhibits for visitors of all ages. End your day with a visit to Chinatown. Explore bustling markets, savor delicious street food, and experience the rich cultural heritage of one of New York City's most vibrant neighborhoods. And there you have it, 10 amazing things to do in New York City. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, NYC has something for everyone. Which attraction are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure.